Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be covering the 2011 Math Counts State Sprint question number 6. Alright, so pause the video here, take a moment to read the question, and then return. Alright, so let's take a look here. Firstly, we want to note that it says after how many years will these trees all be the same height, right? So what that really means is that there's some sort of difference between the saplings, and we want to see what the difference in rates will allow them to, or rather, what amount of years will allow their difference in rates to overcome the current difference. Another thing to always note in math counts questions is a line like this: express your answer as a common fraction. So if you get an integer or anything of that sort, you should know that that answer will be incorrect and that you have to retry since you did not get a common fraction. Alright, so let's take a look. So the saplings are initially 8 inches and then 5 inches tall. So the blue spruce trees are the shorter one, they're 5 inches, but they grow faster, so they should be able to catch up. So if we have the Fraser firs starting at 8 inches and the blue spruce trees starting at 5 inches, well, the difference between the two is going to be 3 inches, because that's 8 minus 5. So we know that the blue spruce trees are growing 2 inches per year faster than the Fraser firs, that because of 14 inches per year minus 12 inches per year. So it's catching up by 2 inches per year. This means that these 3 inches should close out in 3 inches divided by 2 inches per year. And if we write that out, we can write this out with conversion factors. For instance, we have 3 inches times 1 year over 2 inches, and the reason that this is inverted as opposed to 2 inches per year is because instead of a division sign, I made this a multiplication sign. So inches cancel and you get 3 out of 2 years out of this. So let's just double check that this fits as a common fraction, and yes it does. So 3 out of 2 is our answer. Alright, thank you for watching, and I hope that this was helpful.